Hi, this is Tori Bingham, and this is how to make a sound on the head joint. Okay, so hold up the head joint so that your right hand is holding the long side, and your left hand is supporting the left side. That's good. Place your lips up to the hole so that they cover up the hole, and roll it down so that it's away from your face. Your bottom lip should be kind of touching the edge of the hole. And kind of focus your air down and try and blow like you're pointing your air down into the hole. So go ahead. Yeah. Okay, make sure your corners are in and you're focusing your air. Yeah. Good job. Now put your hand on the end of the hole so that it's covering up and try it again. Yeah, good job.